In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use cleanup suggestions in Google Sheets. If your spreadsheet has grown a little messy, this feature will help you tidy it up in seconds. On my screen, you can see a simple table, and there are a couple of issues that are easy to miss, but can cause problems. We've got duplicate rows for John Smith and Bob Wilson, and there's some odd spacing in Alice's name. Duplicates can throw off totals and charts, and extra spaces can break formulas or make sorting inconsistent. Let's clean all of that up quickly and safely. First, make sure your table is visible and active in your sheet. Now, head to the top menu and open the Data menu. From there, choose Data Cleanup, and then click Cleanup Suggestions. You don't need to remember any complex commands. This one tool does the heavy lifting. A sidebar opens on the right. This is where Google Sheets analyzes your data and offers practical fixes. Right away, you'll see suggestions like remove duplicate rows and trim white space. Remove duplicate rows identifies repeated entries so you don't end up counting people or items more than once. Trim white space gets rid of stray spaces before or after text, and even collapses multiple spaces in the middle down to a single space. It won't change the actual words, just the spacing, so your data stays accurate and neat. Take a quick look through the suggestions so you understand what will change. You'll likely see it flagging those duplicate John Smith and Bob Wilson rows, and noting the extra spacing in Alice's name. This review step helps you feel confident about the cleanup without manually hunting for each issue. When you're ready, click Clean Up All in the sidebar. Watch as the table updates instantly. The duplicate rows are removed, the spacing is fixed, and your data becomes consistent and reliable. This not only looks better, it prevents errors in filters, pivot tables, and charts. If you're ever unsure about a change, remember you can immediately undo it using the standard undo command. It's also a good habit to glance at your data right after cleanup, just to confirm everything looks right. And that's it. With data cleanup and cleanup suggestions, you can keep your sheets organized with just a couple of clicks, saving time and avoiding mistakes. Try it on any list or report that feels a bit off, and let Google Sheets do the smart cleanup for you.